Welcome to Brain Booster. Ever encountered the duck flower in your natural remedy explorations? This intriguing plant, Aristolochia grandiflora, also known by the names flor de pato or pelican flower, is the blossom of the contribo herb. Its unique duck-like shape has earned it the moniker duck flower, and it's a native of Central America and the Caribbean, although it's also found a home in Florida, USA. But this plant is more than just a pretty face. It contains a rich array of phytochemicals, including phenols, alkaloids, flavonoids, and terpenoids. These compounds give it a strong medicinal value. And if you're wondering about its reputation, the famous herbalist Dr. Sebi often spoke highly of this herb, praising its ability to cleanse the body. So now that you've been introduced to the duck flower, are you ready to dive deeper? Let's delve into the potent detoxifying properties of the duck flower. Scene script: Duck flower detox, a powerful cleansing process, but not for the faint-hearted. Picture this, a cleanse that not only rids your body of excess mucus, toxins, and internal parasites, but also waste products. That's the duck flower detox for you. This cleansing process typically lasts between 3 and 8 hours. Yes, it's that intense. However, remember that it's this very intensity that makes it so effective. Now let's talk side effects. The duck flower detox is not a walk in the park. It's common to experience several bouts of vomiting and bowel movements, which admittedly can be quite unsettling. But there's more. You may also experience mood swings, nausea, diarrhea, hot flashes, stomach ache, and even dry hives. But here's the thing. While these side effects may sound extreme, they're actually a sign that the detox is working. Remember, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins. Unknowingly, we ingest these toxins, many of which are fat-soluble and end up stored in our bodies. Our bodies alone can't expel these toxins. That's where the duck flower detox comes in. It helps convert these fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble ones, making it easier for our bodies to flush them out. The duck flower doesn't stop there, though. It also contains chemicals that help remove excess mucus and parasites and clear waste products from our intestines. Think of it as a full body cleanse, with your intestines getting a thorough sweep. Yes, the duck flower detox is intense. Yes, it comes with side effects. But remember, every bout of vomiting, every bowel movement, every hot flash is your body ridding itself of toxins. It's your body resetting, rejuvenating, and gearing up for better health. So, despite the intense side effects, the duck flower detox holds numerous health benefits. It's a powerful cleanse, not for the faint-hearted, but for those willing to brave the storm for a healthier, cleaner, and more vibrant self. From weight loss to mental clarity, let's explore the health benefits of duck flower. Today's fast-paced world can sometimes lead us down the path of unhealthy eating habits and lifestyle choices. This often results in weight gain and mental fog. However, duck flower offers a natural solution to these common issues. Let's start with weight loss. Obesity is a growing concern worldwide, with over 1 billion people grappling with this health condition. Duck flower presents a possible solution to this global issue. It contains a compound known as protoberberine, which has been linked to significant weight loss in several studies. The detoxification process facilitated by the duck flower cleanse also helps shed excess water weight, further contributing to weight loss. Now, moving on to mental clarity. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often find ourselves struggling with brain fog and a lack of focus. This is where the duck flower comes into play. This magical herb is rich in flavonoids, compounds that have been associated with improved memory and overall cognitive function. So not only does duck flower help you shed those extra pounds, but it also sharpens your mind, allowing you to navigate through your day with more ease and focus. But the benefits of duck flower don't stop at weight loss and mental clarity. This unique plant also plays a significant role in improving your sleep quality and energy levels. Environmental toxins can accumulate in our bodies over time, leading to sleep disorders like insomnia. The duck flower detox helps eliminate these toxins, thereby improving sleep quality. Furthermore, the flower has sedative properties that promote sleep and reduce anxiety. And if you're looking for a natural energy boost, duck flower has got you covered. It contains terpenoids, compounds known to enhance vitality and focus. So, by incorporating duck flower into your routine, you could experience a noticeable improvement in your energy levels, making it easier for you to tackle your daily tasks. But that's not all. Duck flower also contributes to your sleep quality and energy levels. Sleep like a baby and wake up energized thanks to the duck flower. Its detoxifying properties, combined with its inherent sedative qualities, can help to enhance your sleep quality. By ridding your body of environmental toxins that may contribute to insomnia, The duck flower allows you to enjoy a more restful night's sleep. But the benefits of this unique flower don't stop when you wake up. The duck flower also contains terpenoids, plant-based compounds known for their energy-boosting properties. These naturally occurring chemicals can help to invigorate your body, providing an energy lift that can keep you going throughout the day. And that's not all. The duck flower also assists in better digestion and nutrient absorption. By helping to clear your intestines of bacteria, parasites, and waste, it improves your body's ability to absorb the nutrients from the food you eat, and it even supports better digestion and nutrient absorption. Duck flower, a nature's gift for detoxification and overall health. This remarkable herb, with its unique duck-shaped flower, offers us a myriad of health benefits, from aiding in significant weight loss and enhancing mental clarity, to promoting a good night's sleep and supporting healthy digestion. Duck flower seems to be a holistic solution to many health concerns. However, it's important to remember that the detox is not for the faint-hearted and comes with some extreme side effects. Therefore, always consult with a health professional before embarking on this detox journey. It's generally recommended to limit the consumption of duck flower to 1 to 2 times per year due to its aggressive nature. Furthermore, it is not suitable for nursing mothers and children. Remember, the path to better health is about making informed choices. Always consult with a health professional before embarking on a new health regimen. Don't forget to like and subscribe.